Hey YouTube, this is Smolder433 doing a review of the UHC Spring Revolver Airsoft 8-inch mag. Telling you right now, I already pre-opened this just so I could take a look at it and I can do a better unboxing for you knowing what's in here. Well, it comes with just a basic manual, receipts. I put that in there just because I wanted to. Warning sheet, manual, then the gun itself, and 6 shells. Well, 8 actually. I put 6 in the gun, and I put the other 2 in here. Alright, let's move on to the gun first. The gun has great weight to it. Feels like. Sorry, I also have strep throat and kind of a cold. So, bear with me on my speech and stuff. It's hammer action. It is loaded, so I better pop out the drum so I don't end up shooting. It pulls back pretty easy. Oh, crap, it's like the 3rd time I've done that. You can see, I dropped 2 out on accident. Found one. Give me a second to find the other. You know what? Forget it. I'll find that after I make the video. Alright, so it pulls back, no problem. And do you guys want to see what it'll do to a warning paper? Pretty sure you do. Note, I am wearing safety glasses. If you can see that. That's a Bluetooth headset that you're hearing all my audio through. Okay, let's just... Oh. That's weird, it's not firing. Oh, I see what I did. Give me a second. There we go. It doesn't even penetrate the paper. 1. There we go. That's point blank. As you can see, this gun is not very powerful, nor is it accurate. It's more of a collector's item. And I'm not a collector. I just thought it was a very interesting gun. I'll give you a little close-up. It's 8 inches from here to here. Doesn't look very big on your screen, but it's huge to hold. I mean, compare that to my hand and my arm. It's a pretty big gun. It's the biggest gun I own. Well, pistol. Anyways, so... show you another cool feature. The drum moves when you pull the trigger or when you pull the hammer back. This gun would be a great gun for non-lethal Russian roulette because it's only about 230 FPS and non-lethal with airsoft, and it's got a realistic feature of a shell ejection, so you can eject your shells. Let's get into the details of the gun. It has a nice feel to it's got finger grooves. And this gun, I mean, it is all plastic, except for this right here, the little metal piece, because yeah, whatever. I was laughing at my own jokes. It wasn't even really a joke. But it has a fiery orange tip, and it comes with a barrel plug, but I don't know where I put mine. I'll have to find it. Just an easy release here. Right here. Just pull that back. Comes out. that's about all I have. Order it off evike.com because it comes with 2 extra shells on Evike. And that's about the only store I know, online store, that'll send you 2 extra. And it's the best store, period, I think, for airsoft guns. Airsoft GI is okay, and Airsplat's okay, but Evike's the way to go. And when I got this, they send you a little calendar and a coupon code. I'm not going to show that to you because then you might use it. Well, thank you. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you request, I'll do a firing test of this. So, thank you.